Mr. Woodpecker in Baylor, just down the road from Shavers, round the corner where the house is. I hear you call, I hear you pecking. Have you heard that recently? I hear you. I don't know what I think of it, but it's so peaceful without it. It's different when it does it. Just pecks all day long. Do you remember when I saw that deer in the forest, all banded legged, and jumped up all of a sudden?